Greetings, my name is Queenie with Queenie's Kitchen, and today I am making a tofu vegetable teriyaki dish. We're gonna have that over rice. And so the intention for this meal is for it to be quick and healthy, and for it to be something that the ingredients are accessible. So we want all the ingredients that we're using to be easily accessible. We don't want people to have to go to a specialty market or a farmer's market to get these ingredients. We want people to be able to go into their local grocery market and be able to find everything to make this dish. So let's kind of go over the ingredients though. So we have here tofu. So this is organic tofu. And yes, tofu is super, super good for you. We also have broccoli. We have some sliced carrots here. We also have red bell pepper. We're gonna be using fresh garlic. We're gonna be using this broccoli slaw, and then we're gonna be using soy sauce. And we're gonna be using an onion, ginger dressing to just add some flavor to the teriyaki sauce that I'll be making later. We'll be using a little peanut oil and a little sesame seed oil. And I do want it to be doing my home, so I bake everything. And this will allow me to get a little more of these pieces in. Really nice and firm and a little crisp. Put it in the oven. Okay, you can stop now. And I really want this tofu to be well done. Some of them may be a little too well. So you could definitely cull. So one. Water. 3. My favorite kitchen gadget. Tap it. Carrots. And now people need to see. Okay. All here. Look how, get close. Look how beautiful this color is, y'all. This is what we want. We want the colors of. Okay, that's good enough. I'm not adding any water to this because I will be adding that sauce. So we're just gonna keep stirring it up, letting the steam cook these vegetables, get them a little more tender. So I'm gonna put that lid back on there again and just continue cutting up the tofu. Okay. And firm. When we add that sauce, it's going to make it a lot more soft. Mixing everything up. And now it is time to add our sauce. And I made a lot of it. More than what I'll be able to use. So we're gonna pour this sauce, get closer please. Nicely. Okay, so let's see what's going on with our rice. Can you get that? Why is it so close?